Hey everyone! Recently, Thunderobot debuted the Silver Wings, a cutting-edge gaming monitor with a dual display mode that may produce remarkable performance. This high-end gaming monitor is made to rival products of a similar kind from well-known manufacturers like LG and Asus. The Thunderobot Silver Wing's remarkable feature is its ability to alternate between 1080p resolution at an astounding 480Hz and 4K resolution at 240Hz. Depending on their needs and preferences, gamers can select between ultra-high refresh rates and ultra-high resolution in this dual display mode. The monitor is advertised as a quantum dot organic light-emitting diode display, with the panel manufactured by Samsung Display. While Samsung has not yet officially released a QD-OLED panel with the specific switching capabilities of 240Hz to 480Hz, it is speculated that Thunderobot's panel is based on LG Display's WOLED panel technology, similar to what is used in the Asus ROG Swift OLED PG32 UCDP and LG UltraGear OLED 32 GS95UE. This WOLED panel provides excellent color accuracy with a wide DCI-P3 color gamut coverage of 98.5%. In addition to its impressive display capabilities, the Thunderobot Silver Wings offers high peak brightness, fast response times, and a range of modern connectivity options, including a 90-watt USB-C port. This makes it not just a great gaming monitor, but also suitable for content creation and productivity tasks. To enhance user experience, Thunderobot has equipped the Silver Wings with an ergonomic stand base that allows for flexible positioning, ensuring comfortable viewing angles for long gaming sessions or work hours. The Thunderobot Silver Wings WOLED gaming monitor has made its debut in the market with an initial price tag of 9,999 yuan, or $1,380. This premium pricing reflects the monitor's advanced features, including its dual display mode capability, high refresh rates, and top-notch display technology. At the moment, Chinese retail platforms are selling the Silver Wings monitor. It's yet unknown, though, if Thunderobot intends to release this model in other international markets. Demand, distribution agreements, and regulatory considerations are some of the elements that may affect the monitor's availability in foreign markets. So, the Thunderobot Silver Wings is a superior gaming monitor that satisfies the needs of both professional and serious gamers by fusing state-of-the-art features with cutting-edge display technology. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.